Actually, funny enough to get up, because I'm so bloody forgetful. When I wrote the book that was mentioned at the big Common Sense, which I wrote it, well, published in 1982, at the end of the first chapter, I offered a money-back guarantee. So that book's been selling since 1982 in, I think, 17 languages. Nobody's ever asked for their money back, you know. Probably because they got to chapter 3 and thought, I don't really understand what's going on here. But nobody's ever asked for their money back.